morning. Very good morning, children. Yes. Hope you are all fine. Yes. Are you doing your homework regularly? Is it? Yes. If you are sending homework regularly, no problem. Those who are not sending regularly, please send it regularly, children. Okay? Yes. Then we will start. Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day today. Today the thought for the day is you teach best what you must need to learn. Yes, that is the thought for the day. Yes? Yes. Now, take out your module 1. Sorry, children. English workbook part 1. Yes? Yes. Then, we have been completed till page number 32. Yes? Yes. Countable and uncountable nouns. Yes, exercise 3.4. We completed, right? Yes. What have we learned, children, in previous class? We learned singular, plural, countable, uncountable nouns. Singular means one. Plural means more than one and many, right? Then what we learned? If the word ends with letter O, X, S, right? We need to add ES, right? Yes, I told you, right, children? Then what and all we learned in previous class? Yes, Y means we should change it into IES. Right, if F or FE means we need to change it into VES, right? Yes, this and all we learned in previous class. Yes, then countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are which can be countable. Yes, we can count. That comes under the countable nouns. Uncountable nouns is which we cannot be counting. So that comes under the uncountable nouns. Okay, yes, like milk, fruit juices, this and all we cannot count, right, children? So that comes under the uncountable nouns. Countable nouns which all comes pen, pencil, table, chair, man, animal. Yes, everything comes under the countable nouns. We are also countable nouns. Okay, yes. So this and all we learned in previous class. Yes. Now open page number 32. Yes, 32. Next we have formal writing. Yes, editing exercise. Okay. Exercise 4. You are not error detective and here is your machine. Give below is a paragraph with spelling, punctuation and grammatical errors. Spot 10 errors and rewrite the paragraph in the space provided. Okay. The story of the blue jackal is taken from the Panchatantra. Okay. See, there is a grammatical mistake. They have given exclamation mark. But it should be full stop. Correct? Yes. It is the story of jackal. Of a jackal. Okay. That fell into a bucket of blue dye when he was being chased by some dogs. S-O-M-E. They have written S-U-M-E. So that is wrong, right? Yes. When he came out of the bucket, he had turned blue and all the animals were scared of him. Okay. They treated him like a king because they thought he would be powerful. Yes, but not one. One it should be, but they have written one. Okay. When he heard other jackal howl, he howled back. Yeah, there full stop it should come. The animals found out that he was not special. Special spelling also wrong. Okay, but just another jackal. Yes, so you should rewrite the grammatical mistake, children. Yes, there is a spelling mistake, grammatical mistake and all. I already told you. Yes, where and all you should use what and all. Yes, you should rewrite this sentence again. Again you should write this story over here. Okay, see, a story of, yes, Panchatantra, then full stop you should give. Okay, then here A, then some spelling wrong, then here yes, here spellings wrong, scared spelling, then treated, spelling wrong, yes, then full stop here, then here also, see, 1, that also spelling mistake, special also spelling mistake. Here full stop, that is also mistake. So rewrite the story again here. Here is the space. This story you should write again. Okay. What are mistakes I have showed you already, right? According to that, you should write here. This is your homework. Okay, complete it. Okay, are you getting, children? See already what mistakes I have done. I have showed you, right? Clearly, yes. See, in this way only you should write. Okay, see mistakes. See here also. Are you getting? Yes. Yes, complete it. Okay. Yes, here you should write. Okay. Then turn the next page. Yes, next we have creative writing, descriptive writing. Okay. If you add to describe a watermelon to somebody without telling them the name of the fruit, how would you do it? How would you do it? Picture the fruit in your mind. You should keep the fruit in your mind. And what does it look like? How it will look? What is the color? How big it is? Does it have seeds? And how does it taste? Like that you can tell. Give hints. Okay. When you use words to describe a person, thing or a place in detail, it helps others to see exactly what you are seeing. When you are describing these things, automatically in their mind they will think of that picture. Example, I will explain something like I will tell how the place was. See, that place was full beautiful. Only green grasses were there. Big coconut trees were there. Yes, many birds were flying. Yes, then the sky was very clear with blue color. Like that I will be telling you, right, about that place. Then you will keep in your mind, you will be imagining how that place is. That is descriptive writing, means you are thinking and writing that, right? That is descriptive writing. Okay. Read a description of park shown in the picture. Here they have shown a park. Okay. Let us read that, children. Yes. This is a park of big city. It has many trees and bushes. The bushes are filled with beautiful wild flowers. There is a small pond near a path of the park. Can you see? Yes. People use this path for their walks and do exercise every morning and evening. There are beaches in the park. Nearby only beaches are there. Okay. Where people can sit and when they are tired, they are sitting on that also, in benches also, see here. Yes. Then lamp post standing at the side of the path. Lamp post. Okay. The way in the evening, it is peaceful and quiet place. It is peaceful and quiet place. Did the description help you picture the park in your mind? Now you can describe a place that you have been to. Now you can describe how it is, that place was. Like that you can describe now, right? See, next we have exercise 5. You have just returned from a school trip with your classmates. Write a short paragraph to describe to your parents the place you visited. Use the given hints to write your descriptive paragraph. Which place did you visit? Okay, hints are there. This and all you should use. How did the surroundings look? Were there buildings, mountains or water bodies around? What were the sounds you heard? What colors did you see? What did you notice first about the place? This and all you can use and write one paragraph. Okay, short paragraph you can write that you have went to the school trip with your classmates. Then how it was, what we visited, what all were there. Like that you can describe about it. Okay. Yes, you should write here. Okay, see, I already written on the board. Yes, children, I have already written on the board. Listen, look at the board carefully. Exercise 5. Last week we went to nursery for a school trip. Nursery means not school nursery classroom. Okay. Nursery means where plants will be kept. Okay. And they will be selling that plants also. That is called as nursery. Okay. Don't think nursery class. Okay. Nobody will go for that to picnic and all, right? Yes, so here last week we went to the nursery for a school trip. A nursery is a place where plants are grown and sold. Just now I told, right? It was plants have been grown and it is sold also. They are selling the plants also. When we enter the nursery, there were hundreds of plants. There were hundreds of plants all around us. Some were in brown pots on the ground. Okay. And some were in hanging pots. Yes, you can see some will be in the brown pot in the ground and some will be hanging also. Yes, that type of plants also we will be getting. Yes, some of the plants had colorful flowers. Colorful flowers also some plants were having. Okay, we met Mr. Abbas. They met Mr. Abbas, who owns the nursery, who is the owner of the nursery. Okay, he told us the names of the plants. He told the names of the plants. Each plant is having a different names. Okay, hibiscus plant, rose plant, tulsi plant. Yes, then aloe vera plant. Then what else, children? Yes, many flowers we can tell. Or many herbal things also we can tell. Yes, so he is telling the name of the plants also, and also showed us some plants. Okay, some plants. Again, I have written. Sorry, children. Some plants. Okay, that can be used as medicine. Yes, some plants they are using it for medicine also. That also he told. There were butterflies flying everywhere because there is more flower pots. So that's why that flower pots means it is not a cracker. Okay, that is different. Flower pot means a plant of a flower. Okay, there many butterflies are flying there. Okay, yes. Along with the plants, the nursery also had lots of colorful pots. Yes, along with the plants, the nursery also had lot of color pots also they were having. Watering cans also they were having. And bags of soils also they are selling. Good soils also they are selling. Okay, in the nursery. The best part of the trip was when Mr. Abbas said that we could choose a plant each and take it home. Yes, what the best thing in the trip they had? Mr. Abbas told you can choose whichever plant you want and you can take that to home also, like that he told. Okay, I chose a hibiscus plant with pretty red flowers. Is hibiscus plant he or she selected that hibiscus plants. Okay, which was in the red color. Okay, in hibiscus we will have red, pink and light pink also we will have, and white also we will have in hibiscus colors. Okay, yes, like that. She took red flower. Okay, the trip was lot of fun. I enjoyed learning about the different plants. Yes, different plants. She learned more about the plants. So she liked that trip. Okay, like this you have to write the paragraph about the trip they went to the, yes, with the classmates. Okay, yes, please copy them, children. Otherwise I will share one regarding this. It is very big, right? So watching the video and writing it may be difficult for you. So I will send you one pic, okay, to write this. Okay, in page number 35. You need to complete that. So I will send that pic. Okay, the picture I will send in the group today. Okay, then you can copy that by seeing that pic. Okay, so you should complete it in the workbook page number 35. Okay, exercise 5. Okay, children. Yes, we completed this module 3. Right? Yes. What is your homework? You should complete. See, here it is your homework. You should write the story. Yes. Here they have many punctuation marks, spelling mistakes. Everything is there in this story. Yes, page number 32. So what you should do? You should rewrite the story here. Okay, here. What all mistakes are there? I already showed you, right? I already read also. Yes, so see that and copy down here. Okay, this is your homework. Then I will send the pic for page number 35. That also, seeing the pic, you should complete it. Okay? Yes. Then today I think this is enough, right? Yes, this is enough. we have been completed module 3. In the next class we will go to the textbook. Okay. Yes, then today enough. We will meet in the next class. Bye.